This channel is making monthly $13,000 a month. They are just doing it by posting shorts video generated by AI. So I'm going to reveal you how possible it is for you to do it. But you should note it down that it is the least they are making according to Social Blade. Here it is what Social Blade is telling about these guys, that how much money is this making. And this is not the only thing, maybe they are also making lots of money by showing the sponsor ads and by doing the sponsored videos. Now just take a look on their latest video.
This is the zombie salmon.
So did you notice what they are really doing? They are just explaining the facts about any specific animal you can do by using AI. So you don't need to do research, and the AI is going to cut off all the research work. You can be doing this just by using an internet connection and laptop and just 10 minutes of your time. Here I am showing you how it's working. So let's start with the step 1. Go to ChatGPT and you just need to type ChatGPT and ask it to tell you the name of 3 or maybe 10 interesting animals, and then you just need to select one of the animals of them, and then ask ChatGPT to write interesting facts about this animals. You can tell ChatGPT to write in a specific amount of words, like you can ask ChatGPT to complete it in 50 words, maybe 500 words. It depends completely on you how long you want video short to be. Once you are done, then you just need to head over to play.ht, and here's the link in my description. You can go ahead and check it out. So after getting onto the play.ht, you can log in if you already have an account. If you do not have an account, just go to Google and just use sign up, and I'm going to sign up using Google. So here is the process how I'm doing it. Click on this create audio button, and then going to create click on this your use ultra realistic voices. Then here you can paste your copy you have written from your chat GPT. Now you can select from multiple voices on which voice you like, and there are details about the person's voice you are going to get, name, gender, account, if it's from Britain or from USA or whatever, and the age and the style of narrative and the speed, everything you are going to get, and you can select one of them. So I'm going to select Alexander, and now click on apply on this active paragraph, and I'm going to apply to all paragraphs and click confirm. Now click on generate all. As you can see, now it's generating for you. Once it's completed, you just need to click on download. So here I'm going to click on export project and as a single audio file. Now heads over to Canva and write down YouTube shorts, and you're going to find lots of templates about it. This is what we are going to do just to select specific sites which is required for YouTube shorts. I'm going to customize the template. Now going to pixels.com, and I'm going to pixels just to find out free videos which I'm going to use about these animals in my video. Okay, so I'm done, and I'm downloading in a specific size so I can edit the video in Canva later. Now going to click on I'm not robot and just download it. Head over to Canva once again, and now I'm going to delete the existing page, and on the blank page now I'm going to upload the video, and it's very easy. Replace background. Don't forget to remove the voice of your original video, so you can later use the voice you want. And by clicking the plus button in the icon, now I have added so many a few of the videos and images what I downloaded from Pixels. Here you can see how it looks like. Now for the music, we are going to Google YouTube audio library, and after entering into the YouTube audio library, I'm going to select one of the music which I find suitable for my video, and then I'm going to download it, which is very easy. And now I am uploading it to Canva. Now you can see how I have uploaded the audio into my Canva file, and now we need subtitles. So let's open vid.io and start for a free trial. Now sign up with the Google and add new video, create new project, and click on the subtitles button, and now click on the auto generate subtitles. I have forgotten that while making the video on the Canva, could not record it, but I did edit the voice which I got from play.ht, and I did edit that voice to Canva. So I removed all the other voices in the video, like the voice of the videos I downloaded from Pixels, and the only voice left there is the voice I generated from play.hd. So now after clicking the auto subtitles, this website v.io has generated uh, the subtitles for me. So now I'm going to select the styles what I like for me, and you can select on your own self. You have the things to select, like there are pre-made styles, but you can also change the text and colors and everything, whatever suits you better. So you can see how I'm doing it. I'm going to select one of the thing which I think is suitable for my video. Now I'm clicking on done and click on export video, and after this I'm going to just download it, and downloading mp4. Now let's see how my video is looking. I have completed the video. Let's
This
play the original video of the from that website and now see what I have completed, so we can make a comparison.
is the zombie salmon. And this fish is rotting alive.
Defense mechanism. Pangolins have a unique defense mechanism. When threatened, they roll.
Now all you need to do just upload the video and enjoy the free money. So that's it for now. If you like my channel, please click subscribe and hit the like button, and check out the recent video I have uploaded